Hello, I am the StockScanPRO robot, and in this video, I'll going to talk to you about what StockScanPRO is and the benefits it can provide for you. StockScanPRO is a scanning engine that gives you the ability to create complicated scans in a simple and quick manner that have unlimited parameters with the indicators that we provide. So before I get into more of that, I want to show you the different markets that it can scan. So, this alone is a big benefit, because most scanners only give you the ability to scan US stock exchanges. You can scan those in StockScanPRO, but you also have the ability to scan markets from all over the world, funds and indices. For instance, you can scan Toronto Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange, Euronext and many others. Before running scans, you need to select the exchanges you want to see results for. Just click on Change to select your exchanges. Check the exchanges you are interested in and click Save. You can change this selection at any time. But the biggest benefit of StockScanPRO is being able to create complicated scans with an unlimited amount of parameters in a very simple and quick manner. I'm not going to get into creating scans in this video. I'll do that in some following videos, and I encourage you to watch those, but I will go through the basic features of StockScanPRO. If you are a total beginner to creating scans, you will be able to have the filter builder, which allows you to create complicated scans in a very simple and easy manner without knowing any programming or scanning language. The beauty of this is it writes the scan for you, so the language in StockScanPRO is very easy to learn. You will begin to learn the language very quickly, and then you will be able to create scans with it without using the filter builder. But even if you don't want to learn the language, you can always just use the filter builder. So I'll show you some simple examples. When you bring up the filter builder, you can see a drop down with all the indicators that we provide right now. This list is something that gets updated all the time as new indicators show up. I will now show you what an unlimited amount of parameters means. For that, I will use the RSI as an example. Most people know that the standard RSI is a 14 period. Let's say you want to create scans with a 5 period, or 70 period, or 3 period. A lot of scanning engines don't give you the ability to do that. And even if they do, it's not usually that simple. So with this, you will be able to do that very simply. Let's say we want to do a 9 period RSI, and 4 days ago we just have 0. That means we are using the RSI value of the last bar, or the last trading day. If we want to use yesterday's value, we just put a 1. If we want the value from 2 days ago, we put 2. So it's really simple. And look at the top. You can see that the scan writes in the language. Eventually you will be able to learn the language, which is really easy. For now, we'll just create a simple scan so you can see how it works. We want to find stocks with the 9 period RSI above 70. Once you are done, click Generate Filter and the code will show up in the query box. You can now choose how you want to see the results, and then you press Run Scan. You have the options to see the results with charts, without charts, or save them as CSV so you can import them in another program like Microsoft Excel. If you are happy with the results, you can save your scan. Just click on Save Scan, select a folder, choose a title for your scan and press Save Scan. You can also press Load Scan to load scans that were saved by you, or predefined scans offered by us. Find the scan you are interested in, click it, click Load Scan, and the scan shows up in the query box. Then you can see the results just like before. Another great feature is that you can receive selected scan results every morning by email. You get here the same selection of exchanges that you use for scanning and the ability to change it. You also have the option to receive small charts in your email. Just check this option if you want it. Then you browse and select the scans you are interested in. Once you are done, click on Save and you will receive emails every morning with the scan results. You can always discover more on StockScanPRO in our help section, in the indicators section, and in the forum. You'll find the latest news in our blog. And very important, you can always use the support section to get help on building scans or to report any issues that you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and I encourage you to watch the other videos too, as there are many things to learn about StockScanPRO.